Okay, you know what? That was really a very inspirational message.
I try everything.
Alright, awesome. But folks, as all of you all can see, these birds, they are actually very big in size, right? So let's all guess how heavy they are. Okay? So raise your hand if you think these birds weigh 20 kilograms. Okay, I see 2 hands only. Alright, how about 30 kilograms? Raise your hands. Okay, alright. And who thinks these birds weigh more than 30 kilograms? Raise your hand. Wow. Actually, I was just kidding because they only weigh 10 kilograms.
Yes, they're only 10 kilograms. Now you see they have to be lightweight for them too. Float on the surface of the water or even soar high up in the skies. Another distinct feature, you see the beak. Okay, right underneath there is a stretchy pouch. Now this pouch can stretch and hold up to 4 kilograms of fish. Okay, so Halim, I'll bring the birds down and I'll come back out with an animal heavier than 10 kilograms.
I thought it's up.
No, yeah.
Okay. Alright. Since my senior eco ranger tell me to carry on, which means right now, it's finally my moment. Actually, you're supposed to clap for me, you know? Thank you. Alright, because folks, as all of y'all know, today is my first day.
Your last day, Halim.
Suddenly it became my last day. Alright. But I still want to ask all of you, do you all think I'm doing a good job so far? Thank you. Are all of you enjoying the show as well? Alright. So you know what you can do before you go out? Very simple. Just get ready your phone. Thank you, Chewy. Thank you. Alright. Just get ready your phone, scan the QR code right over there, and then you can type Tasha, Halim, and the crew is there. Yes, you guys said it. Alright. Okay, but folks, on a serious note, I've been thinking about all the animals right here. They are always dropping nuts and seeds onto the forest ground to create a healthy forest. So I think we should add another R, which is replant. Instead of always taking away from the forest, we should give back. And also, the moment you've all been waiting for, let's welcome the largest rodent in the world. From the left side of the stage, we have the capybara. Okay, and joining us this morning, we have 3 boys who were born right here at the River Wonders, and they are turning 7 years old this coming November. And right here with me, his name is Mo. And up on stage we have Peanut together with trainer Arden. Alright. And right over there we have Jelly together with trainer Pini. Okay. Alright. Now folks, these capybaras, they are named the master of grasses because of their 2 long sharp teeth. Now tell me everyone, do you all want to see the capybara's teeth? Yeah! Alright, let's take a look at these. Okay, so these teeth actually help them to graze on water plants and grass easily. And capybaras, they have slightly webbed feet which help them to paddle easily in the water and also track on muddy riverbeds.
Yes, and if you take a look at Peanut here, weighing 60 kilograms, now he will be giving us a nice swim this morning. So in he goes with a little splash for everyone. But folks, as he's heading on to the other side, take a look. Tell me where Peter helps them paddle right in the waters. Now the eyes, ears, and nose will always be on this only for approximately 5 minutes at a go. Thank you, Peanut. Now folks, these gentle creatures, they are the amazing array of animals you met today. Also, remember their stories, appreciate the challenges they face every single day just to survive. Now, each and every one of us here, we can be eco-rangers. We can play an important part in maintaining wildlife and environments they call home. We can do very simple things like using a reusable container when we take away food, a reusable bag when we go shopping, and last but not least, let's try not to use plastic straws. Instead, we can always opt for reusable straws. And with that, we've come to the end of our Once Upon a River. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a great day ahead, right here. Triple watching. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye, everyone.
இப்போ நம்ம இந்த வீடியோட எண்டுக்கு வந்துட்டோம். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கெல்லாம் பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், மறந்துடாமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கங்க. ஸோ இதை மாதிரி இன்னொரு நல்ல வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். தேங்க்யூ.